You enjoy that, Angel? You like being out in the snow? I'm not wearing high heels. These are boots. Cold out here. It's like 11 degrees. I think I know what Eskimos feel like now. Just watching the snow outside, it's just really peaceful, and it reminds you of being a child, how much you really want it to snow so school closes and you get to play outside and build a snowman. So I will be stuck at home today, and I think I can handle that for a day. But if this goes on for 2 or 3 days, I might go stir crazy or just go crazy. I'm just going to try to enjoy the little moments spent with my son. When you only get snow maybe once or twice a year, it's a huge deal. You're too heavy for it? You've outgrown it? I really should be having a cup of hot tea. That would be very nice today. Maybe later. Okay, throw in boiling water. Let's see what happens. It's a hot tea kind of day for me. So it's day 2 of snowed in, and some of our neighbors their hot water heater has frozen. Decided to paint on some eyebrows today. Trying to make myself feel a little better today by getting a little bit fixed up. I do like to go natural most of the time though. You could call me pretty much a pretty low maintenance type of girl. I'm totally not good at putting on makeup and never have been. Found a new eyebrow pencil the other day when me and my son went out, when it was one of the last days you could get out in town before the snow. It's called $1 Billion Brows. I don't know if I can do it like this. It's hard to tell what I'm doing. You would not want to follow me for a makeup tutorial. So what do you think? With eyebrow or without eyebrow? I don't throw it towards this. The easy way to build a snowman. We're cheating. I have wrote down a few things that I want to do today. Keep the list small so I can ensure success. So I sent my best friend from high school a copy of my video that I made about undiagnosed, as a girl, and it's my recent video upload. And I told her about my autism when I was first diagnosed about 2 years ago. She was diagnosed with ADHD several years ago. When I sent her the video in an email, she wrote back. She said, "I just always thought you were a fun person to be around. I thought you were normal." Well, what is normal anyway? Who's normal? I just felt like it was such a short comment for what I sent her, a piece of my heart, what I felt like I'd gone through, and I just felt like her comment was just so short. It disappoints me. It makes you feel like sometimes you have to educate people. It's just a struggle to connect with people. So to give you a little more information on what it was like having a friendship, the friend that I had, she was very outgoing, and she was an extrovert, and I was an introvert. So I could always just be in her shadow, and she got all the attention, and I was known as her friend. I was okay with that. But when me and her were together just by ourselves, she would allow me to come up with the ideas on activities we would do. We always had fun together. When she had another friend who wanted to come around, I didn't like that. I didn't like having someone else there. I never fit in with her other friend, never felt comfortable around her other friend, and just wanted my friend to just be with me, be my friend, enjoy time together. And when you have an extroverted friend, that's not the case. They want to be around a lot of people. So we had a lot of fun times together, went places, had fun. I'm glad she was in my life. We may not see eye to eye now, but we'll always have our past. And the thing about friendship is, even when I haven't talked to someone for like a year or 2 years, I assume the friendship is right where it was. It picks up, it's supposed to pick up where it left off, and that's not realistic, I've learned, for friendships. Just because you feel admiration for somebody and you haven't spoken a year and you still feel the same, doesn't mean they do. But for me, it's like time has stood still, and then when I see someone I haven't seen in a long time, it's supposed to pick up where it left off, and they may not feel that way. So friendships are just difficult in general when you see them differently than other people do. I need a good autistic best friend. That's what I really need. Who understands better, right? I'm wondering how the animals are making it out there. I hope they're okay and safe and finding a warm place to be. It's supposed to get down to feeling like below zero. I know animals around here are not used to that, and neither are we.